What high-end furniture is used in classic European hotels? Today, I will take you to see. Why is it called Kempinski?
Kempinski was founded by Bert Kempinski in 1897, with fewer than 100 hotels worldwide. In China, it's only in top cities and capitals. Nearly 20 years ago, Suzhou was specially approved as a developed economic area.
Old five-star hotel brands have high standards.
In China, only top 10 companies can cooperate with them. Secondly, all materials are imported with high craftsmanship. Here's a Lawrence sofa and some lounge chairs.
So fashionable.
It has a civilian feel, with chairs in Italian style.
What did the client say?
It's amazing.
Foreigners call Hongye's products #1.
Let's look at another project we did in Nantong, Grand Metropark Hotel Nantong. The lobby bar and furniture have an Italian design feel.
This looks very spacious. Did you do all the fixed installations?
There were 3 sections. We handled the fixed installations and all movable furniture. These are high-spec North American walnut. Let me show you. This project has an impressive hall.
How many people does it fit?
About 400.
Hongye did all the wood finishes inside.
Yes.
5 years on, still timeless.
This is the biggest banquet and conference hall in the project.
This banquet hall in Nantong is top-notch.
It's definitely #1. Mr. Zhao, this is a top-floor restaurant with an Italian-grade table and our chairs. It's been 5 years.
It's been 5 years, still looks new. This style is very different from the Kempinski.
Completely different. This is a 6.7-meter dining table. It seats 35 to 40 people. And it's #1 at Hongye Group in my furniture career. Weijing's presidential suite, with a lounge and meeting room.
Isn't this new furniture?
This project is 5 years old. This table is made of walnut and solid wood. Let me show you the executive suite.
The executive suite is elegant.
It uses natural walnut veneer. A landmark project, the local government's reception hotel. This is a king room.
You can't tell it's been 5 years by the details.
The sleeve was added later. It was unstable before.
This added a lot of cost.
We absorbed the cost, no charge to the client.
I think this is very responsible. Thanks to Mr. Zhao today, and we hope Hongye and Mr. Zhao bring us more international projects.
Thank you.